Checking on your application status and declaring your intent to enroll are important next steps in your Wildcat journey. In order to achieve this, you're going to need to activate your student portal account. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of activating that account. To activate your account, you're going to need your Chico State ID number. You can find this in your new student packet as well as in the acceptance email you received from the admissions office. If you can't find your ID number, please contact the Office of Admissions and we'll be more than happy to help you locate it. To access the portal, start at Chico State's home page at csuchico.edu. Select Portal, and you will be taken to the login screen. Next, select New Student Account. Here you will need to input your Chico State ID number and date of birth to activate your account. Once activated, you will be taken to the portal homepage. Once you've reached this screen, you have officially activated your student portal account. From this homepage, you can reach many different student tools, including your official Wildcat email address, as well as the Student Center. The Student Center is where you can view your application status as well as declare your intent to enroll. For more information about the Student Center, please refer to our videos on viewing your application status and declaring your intent to enroll. If you have any questions or difficulties at all, please feel free to reach out to the admissions office. We'll be happy to assist you in any way we can.